Samoan language can said to be a deleting or a separating language. It uses various supplementary morphemes in tenses and sentence constructions. For example, to denote present continuous tense, oloo is used. Although Samoan language uses the isolation rule, the morphological process of reduplication is also used to repeat whole or section of a word. This is where the accented form of a verb root is used to specify a plural number. For instance, in singular, to be sick, is ma'ai, and in plural the word is repeated to form the plural form to be mama'ai. The first part of the word ma is repeated to form mamai. The word formed contains an identical ma as a prefix or a modifier, which is identical to the main stem of the word ma'ai. When ma is repeated and forms the word mamai, the word is an imitative word or a reduplicate, which makes the word to be somehow informal. Generally, it forms a linguistic form of prototype that is inclusive and connected together with prearranged lexeme. The punctuation is limited to the use of the comma. However, there are many words that do not use the comma. The Samoan language uses the verb subject order agreement for sentence pattern structure, unlike English which use the subject verb order. The main morphological rule for Samoan depends on the combination of several morphemes. Traditionally, the morphological rule dictates how the morphemes should be combined to bring a grammatically correct word or sentence pattern. Take for example, the morphological rule for word formation in English language uses prefix and suffix. The suffix, fy when inserted to words such as terror, person, test, simple and pure, it forms terrify, personify, testify, simplify, and purify respectively. In addition, able when suffixed, it forms adjectives with various verbs which retain both sense of the verbs suffixed and the true meaning of the suffix able, that is breakable, believable, workable, and attainable to mean something is able to be done. Therefore, the morphological rule for such derived words from suffixes will be, verb plus suffix able equals able to be done, for example, believe plus able equals able to be believed. When using the prefix the same combination of morphemes is applied. For instance, an is a morpheme with the meaning of not. It can be successfully prefixed with adjectives to form words in the negative form. The rule is, un plus adjective equals not plus adjective. For example, the word uneasy was formed when un plus easy, adjective, equals not easy. The following example of words use reduplication rule to form words. For example, maneo equals he wishes, inclusive with the pronoun he becomes mananeo equals they wish. Notably, mana has been reduplicated to form the plural form, they wish. In Samoan, they is ot itu, but the reduplication rule uses the main stem of word now and ma to form the reduplicate mananeo. The word Samoan illustrations. Matua equals he is old in plural it becomes matu tua equals they are old, matu plus tua. Malosi equals he is strong in plural it becomes malo losi equals they are strong, malo plus losi. Punu equals he bends in plural it becomes punanu equals they bend, puno plus nu. Atamaki equals he is wise in plural it becomes atamamaki equals they are wise, atama plus maki. Therefore, the Samoan for plural form, they weave, is la laga, la plus laga. Plural form, they travel, is savavali, sava plus valley. Singular form, he sings, is peas deleted from the plural form papis. Hence, the pronoun morphemes la, sava, and pepe are reduplicated from the main stem of the singular forms laga, valley, and peas. The morphological rule evident is pronoun plus verb equals reduplicate. It is important to note how the singular verb is selected, cut and then reduplicated. For example, matua in singular becomes matutua in plural. Matu is cut and reduplicate tu to form matutua, ma plus tu plus tua. Thus, the rule shows, pronoun plus morpheme plus verb. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out.